ஹாய் குட்டி.
ஹாய் அம்மா.
இன்னைக்கு நம்ம இந்த வீடியோல A to Z ஆல்பபெட்ஸ் இருக்குல அதோட சவுண்ட்ஸை படிக்க போறோம். படிக்கலாமா?
படிக்கலாம்.
The sound of A is A.
Ant. Ant.
The sound of B is B.
Ball. Ball.
The sound of C is K.
Car. Car.
The sound of D is D.
Doll. Doll.
The sound of E is E.
Elephant. Elephant.
The sound of F is
Fish.
The sound of G is G.
Grapes. Grapes.
The sound of H is H.
Hat.
The sound of I is E.
Igloo. Igloo.
The sound of J is J.
Jeep. Jeep.
The sound of K is K.
King. King.
The sound of L is L.
Lion. Lion.
The sound of M is M.
Monkey. Monkey.
The sound of N is N.
Nest. Nest.
The sound of O is A.
Otter. Otter.
The sound of P is P.
Penguin. Penguin.
The sound of Q is Qua.
Quail. Quail.
The sound of R is Ra.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
The sound of S is Sa.
Snail. Snail.
The sound of T is T.
Tiger. Tiger.
The sound of U is A.
Umbrella. Umbrella.
The sound of V is V.
Vulture. Vulture.
The sound of W is Va.
Walrus. Walrus.
The sound of X is
Xylophone. Xylophone.
The sound of Y is Ya.
Yak.
The sound of Z is Z.
Zebra. Zebra.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.